Hey, I'm Kevin, and today we're going to show you 3 tricks you can use to shoot your B-roll like Peter Mckinnon. Actually, before we do that, I want to talk about what B-roll is. B-roll stands for... No, it's not that. It's your secondary footage. It's the footage you cut away to supplement your main story. So if this is the A-roll, the footage of me talking about what B-roll is the B-roll. Having B-roll not only makes your videos more interesting, it also helps you tell your story. Alright, trick number 1. Peter likes to shoot at a higher frame rate, more specifically 120. 120 FPS means that your camera is capturing 120 frames per second. Now, your camera usually shoots at 30 or 60 frames per second. Some of the newer phones shoot from 120 to 240. Capturing this many frames means that you can slow down the footage and still not have your video be choppy. Slowing down the motion of a B-roll gives your audience more of a chance to appreciate the detail in each scene, therefore making it more cinematic. But your B-roll doesn't have to be slow-mo. All right, you can put the bars down now. All right, trick number 2 are these black bars. Putting these black bars on your footage is called letterboxing. Since the size of the videos that are shown in movie theaters used to be different than the ones we see at home on our television, we now associate content that has been letterboxed to be more cinematic or more movie-like. Hey, don't do that. Trick number 3. Speed ramping. Speed ramping is simply speeding up your footage again. By doing so, you can control what details you want the audience to see. Peter likes to edit his footage in relation to the tempo and rhythm of his background music. This way, the footage and music works together and makes anything he's shooting more dramatic and cinematic. Whether you're shooting a product review or a film, B-roll is always useful. So remember to shoot more B-roll than you need because you never know when you're gonna have an emergency. If anything, your B-roll is as important as your A-roll because this is your chance to show and not tell. If you like cinematography tips and storytelling, remember to check out some of my other videos. Let me know in the comment section below on the types of things you'd like to see. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.